have kids who love sleepovers, I think I found one of the best couches to have on hand for overnight guests. This is a convertible sofa bed, and one of the coolest things about it is how it arrives. It's vacuum sealed in a surprisingly compact box, and there's absolutely no assembly required. You simply unpack it, unfold it, and let it expand. I actually wanted to film it inflating, but it happened so fast that I didn't even have time to turn my camera on. So during the day, it's a comfortable sofa for reading, watching TV, or just relaxing. But what really makes it stand out is how versatile it is. In just a minute, you can rearrange it into different configurations depending on what you need. Comfort-wise, it's made with supportive high-density foam that feels soft without completely sinking in. And it comes with these metal support brackets that can help it keep its shape and provide extra stability. For sleepovers, it opens into this large king-size sleeping surface, basically the size of two twin mattresses side by side. My boys thought it was so awesome, and it gives two people or even more than two people plenty of room to sleep comfortably. It's also a great solution if you have family visiting but don't have a dedicated guest room. Another feature I really appreciate is that the covers can be removed for washing. That's especially nice if you have kids, pets, or just frequent overnight guests, because keeping it clean is so much easier. The version we have is the 79-inch high back sofa, but there are several different configurations available depending on your space and how you plan to use it. So if you're looking for a couch that's ready to use right out of the box with no assembly required, if you're looking for something that works well in smaller spaces and easily transforms into a comfortable bed for guests, this is definitely one worth considering. It's just one of those pieces of furniture that's a lot more versatile than it looks at first glance, and I'm thankful to the brand for sending it over in exchange for my feedback.